Dup, 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 dup. Hi!
Oh no!
Help! Help!
Oh no! What? What happened?
Please, help me to find letters.
Do not worry, we will help you.
Yes.
Yoo-hoo! I believe they help.
Wow! Maybe we can find the letters in this box?
Red. Wow.
Oh no!
Where
are you?
Hello. There.
It is not a letter.
Uh-oh. Hello.
Have you found something?
Duck.
Hop!
Blue. Wow.
More one.
Bye-bye. Green. No.
There is no letter? Wow! We finally found it!
Yay!
S.
Ah! I think the letter is hidden in one of these boxes. Hi, Oliver.
This box.
Okay.
Meow. Cat.
Cool. So many boxes left. How do you find the right one?
Open this. Car.
Wow. Great job, Oliver. Oh no!
Huh?
It is Adam.
Bye-bye. Let's go.
Come on.
Hello!
Wow!
Help!
Yay! Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Wow! Construction side. Let's play here.
Come on. Wow.
Look, such an unusual blue sand. Cool.
Super.
Maybe the letter is hidden here?
Idea. Look.
Yeah!
Yay!
I.
Yes! What is this?
Balloons.
We need to complete all the challenges.
Yes.
Let's pop the balloons.
Okay. Orange. Green.
Yay!
Pink. Yellow. Blue. Purple.
Yes!
Ugh, what is this?
We need to serve balls to make them sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yay! Let's get through this paper.
Let's go.
Hello! Hello!
M.
Yay! Let's play with slime.
Yay!
Wow!
Come on, Oliver, come on!
Yay! Yoo-hoo!
Do you want to decorate your slime?
Yes.
Okay.
Cool!
Wow! Oliver, what is this?
Huh?
Seems like a letter is inside of your slime. The letter is here.
Wow.
Whoa! E. You found all the letters.
Yay! Kids, it is important to help each other.
Yes. Wow.
Adam, it's time to wake up.
Adam.
Oh no, Adam is missing. Oh no, we need to find Adam.
Yay! Yes. Hello. No Adam.
No Adam. How can we find will help us.
Okay.
Look, there are Adam's footprints.
Let's go. Look.
What? Maybe Adam is hiding in the garages?
Yes. Red.
Whoa.
Come on.
Oliver, check what's inside.
Okay, Mommy.
Empty.
No, Adam. Green.
Adam! Maybe this?
No, yellow.
Taxi!
Hey! No, Adam.
Done!
Blue.
Come on, Oliver! Come on! No! There's only cars here. Let's continue searching.
Yay!
Look!
Wow!
What is this?
Huh?
Oliver, look! It's Adam's cat.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Daddy?
But where is Adam? Oliver, I see new footprints. Let's go.
Let's go!
I'm alone here.
Yeah!
Oh!
This!
Come on, come on.
Wow!
Hello.
Yellow!
Yeah.
Red! Blue! Pink!
Yay! What is that?
Hello!
Duck.
Look!
Wow. Let's check it out.
Yes! Oh! It looks so cool! I like it! Super! This!
Okay. A dancing cat. Last one.
Yes! What?
Ladybug.
Wow!
Yay! Adam is not here. Let's check somewhere else.
Let's go! Look!
Adam, are you here?
Wow! Let's play! Yeah!
Ta-da!
Yay! Uh-oh!
Oliver, look! It's Adam's foot.